poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotty. You get in the room, room in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny, and I'm finally back with another video, y'all. Alright, you guys, so this is in collaboration with AFSISTERWig. This is the package that it came in. Very sleek and nice. And this is a wig, and it also came with a wig cap, but I don't know what happened to it. This is their short Pixie curly bob wig, y'all. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. This wig is in 180 density. It was very soft. The curls was very bouncy. Like I said, this is a 13x4. The knots came lightly bleached, and it came pre-plucked as well. This wig came with 4 combs, 2 at the sides, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the nape, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band as well. If you guys need to, like, you know, make it a little bit more snug. The wig cap size was a medium. My head is super small, so that was very good for me. And this hair shedded a little bit, not too much at all. Shipping came probably, I think it was about 5 days the shipping came. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and co-washed the hair, and like I said, I did go in and bleach the knots a little bit more, and also plucked it a little bit more as well. I cut the ear tabs off of camera because, girl, I just could not see. And then I'm just going in with my flyaway stick, what is it called, wax stick. And then I just went in with my hot comb just to slick and lay everything down. And I'm just cutting off this excess lace because it was just getting in my eyes. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and start just laying my lace down. I don't know why I did this technique, because for some reason this technique never comes out right. Y'all see when I'm like just about getting ready to cut the lace off, it just don't come out right, girl, and I just did not like it. Honestly, this is not my best wig install, but you know, I just tried to make it do what it do. And I am just blow drying the hair, just trying to make the lace lay, obviously. And if you can tell on one side, y'all, I cut one of the ear tabs shorter than the other. Nothing new. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I went in with the second freeze spray, because the first one was just, if y'all can tell, the got to be glue freeze spray, I don't know what was wrong with the top, girl. It was just spraying all over me, and I was just getting so annoyed.
Wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up.
Alright, guys, so I went ahead and tied my edges down just so I can give it like a nice little melt. But it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out, just because of this technique. I feel like I need to try this technique a little bit more off camera, because it just always turns out not how I want it to turn out.
For everyone, yeah. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me.
And I'm just girl, I cannot talk. Now I'm just going in with a water bottle, just water bottle, nothing in it, and just spraying down the unit so that the curls can form.
Wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up.
Alright, guys, so here I am getting ready to cut off the lace. Well, I'm cutting off the lace. And as you can see, like the white film around the perimeter of my, you know, the perimeter of the lace, is just basically excess lace. that obviously is lighter than my skin tone. And I did went ahead and I cut the rest of that off camera because I just could not see, even though you can still see a part of the lace, areas of the lace that look kind of light. But I did go in with foundation, which made it look a lot better. And you know, y'all, I had to create me some little baby hairs.
You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a magic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright guys, so right here I went in with my what is it called, Cream of Nature mousse, just to define the curls a little bit more.
Up on the coke and rum, you stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum, you stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up.
And I went back in with some water just to loosen the curls up a little bit more. Alright guys, so I went in with my foundation just to tint that lace a little bit so there won't be having that like ugly white cast on it. Girl, it was not cute. But the foundation did make it look a lot better.
Away from my hometown, I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up.
Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have more videos coming, I promise. Any additional details will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Sending you guys love and light and peace.
I'm a blossom, I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem, I don't mean it this far. I'm not sorry.